Hello, today we're going to be talking about how can we revise our writing. And last week you made a draft where you drew some pictures of an event that happened to you, and then you wrote about it, what happened first, what happened next, then, and at last. So today we're going to look at revising, and when you revise your work, you can either add sentences to your writing, you can remove sentences or details that you don't need in your story. You can move some words around to make your story seem more organized, or you can change some words and sentences. Now, I have some questions that you can ask yourself when you are revising. One question might be, can I say more about that? Can you say more about the topic? Another question might be, what's my favorite part? Can I add details to that? How did I feel when this happened? And what made this event so important? So these are some questions that you can ask yourself when you're revising. Now, it's hard to try to answer all of those questions. So today we're going to look at one main question, and the question we're going to look at is, how did I feel when this happened? So we're going to look at my writing, and I'm going to revise my writing and answer this question, how did I feel when this happened? Here is my writing from last week, and I wrote, one time I broke my wrist. First, I pulled my bike from the back of the truck. Next, I noticed the handlebars were backwards. Then, I fell off the bike onto the pavement. Last, I broke my wrist. Okay, so remember I said I was going to answer the question, how did I feel when this happened? So I added at the end of my writing, I felt terrible. And you see I have put an exclamation mark at the end to show that strong feeling about how I felt. So today when you revise your writing, you might want to tell at the end how you felt in your story.